Yeah, so I kind of, on Black Friday, I went and ordered this Dive Bomb Industries duffel bag. It's supposed to be the medium duffel. It's brown. You're supposed to be able to carry it on and put it in your overhead. But anyway, as you can see, I'm kind of a dive bomb. I'm kind of all in. I got their blind bag, which is a very good bag. Keeps everything dry. I do have a couple of these shell bags as well that I got last Christmas during Black Friday-ish. So I thought I'd open this up and see. I didn't see a lot of videos online on YouTube, so I thought I'd do this video and see. Wow, feels very sturdy already, I can tell. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. So I kind of forgot that it's this fold down version of the bag. So when you kind of open it up, it's real deep, if you can see in there. I mean, here's my arm. Goes to about my elbow. Got a bunch of packaging in there. Here's the strap that comes with it, the shoulder strap. And there's the dry packs. It does come with dry packs in there as well, if you can see them in there. Not really gonna take those out. Just some more packaging. So it's very, very sturdy, very well made, I can tell. There's the infamous Dive Bomb logo. Got your little nameplate there, put your information, and it's got the sticker. They always come with a sticker, which is good. But anyway, I find this bag to be very, very solid, very, very thick. So I'm not sure how this would work. I just mess with it. I think you fold it down, right? And then you clip it. Well, anyway, I just got to mess with it a little bit more, but I had a really hard time online seeing the size of it. And as you can see, here's the blind bag, okay? And I know for sure this is about 19.5 inches. So as you can see, this is probably about 20 inches, 21 inches or so. So it's a little bit bigger than that, which is a nice size for like maybe a weekend trip. So this is the fold down bag. So you put all your stuff in there, you fold it down, man. That's it. But anyway, just want to do an unboxing of it. It's got a nice emblem on the bottom. It says Dive Bomb. Yeah, I know it's upside down, but that's all right. It's got the image on this side and that side. And you just roll it up and you go. All right, that's about it, really. Just wanted to give everybody a view of how big it was because it was very hard for me to tell. So if you have like I mentioned before, if you have the blind bag already, it's probably about 2 inches bigger than that. And I know this is about 19.5, so it's about 22, maybe 23. Not huge. They have a huge one that's way too big. So anyway, here's this. Just wanted to let you guys see it. I would definitely get one. It's got a lot more room inside than I thought it did. And you can fill it up as much as you want. I don't know if you can really see in there. But like I said, it goes about to my elbow. And it's just... Here it is all expanded. I think they even have a smaller one. But I didn't want to go too small. All right. It does have a big, I don't know if you can see it in there, but it has a big area, like a zipper area that's mesh that you can put stuff in. All right. And it is completely waterproof, so you can throw it in the bed of the truck. Here's the big mesh part that you can put some stuff. It's like a separate packing area. Anyway, there it is. All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you find the things I put out there helpful, I hope you like these and subscribe. It'd be great. We're a growing channel. Appreciate it.